Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Lakeland Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in lakelandbank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Lakeland Bank. Now from the home page, choose from your personal or business account by clicking on the respective buttons and then click on Online Bank Login. You will then be taken into the login portal. Now within the portal, choose from your account type from the drop-down menu and then enter your access ID within the access ID box. Then type in your account password within the password box and click on the login button and you will be logged into your Lakeland Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your password or your access number, click on the forgot option at the bottom and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Lakeland Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.